Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. I'm just going to show you how to reset the service light on this Volkswagen Scirocco today. This model is the one without the steering wheel controls, and you've got a dash like that with the two buttons on it. We're going to use these two buttons here, this one on the right and the one on the left there. Quite straightforward reset on these. All you need to do is start with the ignition off, then we're going to press and hold this button there while turning the ignition on. If you do that, release the button and then press the button on the left, and that will reset the first stage. Some of these Volkswagens are done in as a two-part reset. If it is on your model like that, you basically need to do exactly the same procedure again, but put the hazard warning lights on while you do it, that's all. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.